Crafting the perfect homemade Irish cream. Introduction. Irish cream, with its smooth and velvety texture, has become a beloved liqueur enjoyed around the world. While commercial brands like Bailey's have made it a household name, creating your own homemade version can be a rewarding and cost-effective venture. In this detailed recipe, we'll guide you through the process of concocting a delightful Irish cream that rivals the flavors of your favorite store-bought brand. Tools you'll need: blender or immersion blender, measuring cups, bottle or large mason jar for storage. Ingredients: 1. Whiskey. Opt for a quality Irish whiskey like Jameson, known for its smoothness. 2. Chocolate syrup, for a touch of sweetness and a hint of chocolate flavor. 3. Sweetened condensed milk, essential for both sweetness and a luscious texture. 4. Dairy component. Choose between cream, heavy cream, or half and half based on your desired richness. 5. Instant coffee granules, to add depth and a subtle coffee note to your Irish cream. 6. Almond extract, the secret ingredient that elevates the flavor profile. Optional add-ins: get creative with variations such as vanilla extract, coconut, or other flavorings. Step-by-step instructions: blend whiskey and sweetened condensed milk. Start by blending the whiskey and sweetened condensed milk together. This helps prevent separation when refrigerated. Add chocolate syrup. Introduce approximately 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup to the blend. Adjust according to your preference for sweetness and chocolate flavor. Incorporate instant coffee granules. Add half a teaspoon of instant coffee granules. Adjust the quantity based on your desired level of coffee influence. Introduce almond extract. Enhance the flavor profile with about a teaspoon of almond extract. This is the secret ingredient that mimics the signature taste of commercial Irish cream. Choose your dairy component. Pour in 1 cup of your chosen dairy component, whether it's cream, heavy cream, or half and half. Adjust the ratio to achieve your preferred thickness. Blend until smooth. Use the blender or immersion blender to combine the ingredients until smooth. Be cautious not to overblend. The goal is to dissolve the instant coffee granules and achieve a consistent texture. Transfer to storage container. Pour the mixture into a bottle or large mason jar for storage. The sight of your homemade Irish cream is sure to be deeply satisfying. Experiment and personalize. Don't hesitate to experiment with variations. Add more coffee for a bolder flavor or incorporate other extracts to create your unique twist. Conclusion: crafting your own Irish cream at home allows you to savor the rich flavors and tailor the recipe to your liking. Whether enjoyed on its own over ice or as a delightful addition to various cocktails and desserts, your homemade Irish cream is bound to impress. So gather your ingredients and embark on a journey to create a personalized liqueur that captures the essence of this classic Irish delight. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please follow, like, hit that subscribe button.